So we found NV Kitchen and Bath from a friend through their recommendation. They had a fantastic experience with Sean and his team, and we were planning an extensive bathroom renovation and really wanted to make sure we found the right people for this job. And after Sean came out to take a look at the project and give us some drawings and an estimate, it was very clear that this was who we wanted to work with, because he immediately understood the vision that we were going for, and was able to translate our rough ideas into something that was really capturing all of our goals and taking it even farther than we thought was possible. So that was really helpful and really reassuring to us, again, knowing that friends had such a great experience and someone who could come in and understand the space, what we're trying to get from it, and would be easy to work with. We knew that we wanted to work with Sean and his team. And throughout the process, they were everything that we could have wanted and more. There was, from the very beginning with the design, that we really didn't have a lot that we were thinking ahead of time in terms of design. We were more concerned with the function of the renovation. And Sean was able to guide us through the entire process so easily and giving us great ideas. And again, since he understood our vision, the end product really reflects all the things that we wanted to achieve, as well as an amazing space. So that was just incredible. And as our friend said, it's not often that you find a contractor that makes a renovation process enjoyable, but they actually did. And we couldn't be more pleased with how things turned out. It's transformed the space, and I don't think we could have asked for anything better.
So at the beginning, when we were talking with Sean about different designs, he actually came back with what we had given to him, and he said, here's exactly what you were talking about. Here's your design, but understanding where you're trying to go, you might even like this design better. He gave us two that we could really choose from, and that was one of the things that helped us determine that he was the guy for the job, because we understood that if anything came up along the way, he was understanding that entire vision of what we had for the room.
So we are very pleased with how this project turned out, and when we are ready to redo our kitchen or any other bathroom or kitchen related projects, we will absolutely be calling Sean and his team back.